about 10 minutes ago. Ready, set, go. No, I'm kidding. So it's kind of sketchy. A little sketchy.
Honky tonk blues.
No, I'm kidding. Alright, here we go. Well, his name was Leatherface, with blood all over the place, and his family's a bunch of cannibals, with his chainsaw by his side, and you can try to run and hide, but he'll track you down like an animal. In the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, it's you that he wants to capture. In the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, he's a flesh-eating connoisseur, and he wears human faces, doesn't travel many places, and if you end up in his domain, then you can bet your bottom dollar that you're gonna scream and holler, because he's just a little bit insane. In the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, it's you that he wants to capture.